With summer approaching and these apps getting slower, can you still make money on these apps in 2025? Or is it time to switch up? Let's talk about it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the subscribe and like button below, because I already know you're going to like this. Let's get into it. Now, what's going on, y'all? Took a couple days off. Now I'm back at it, I just had a question for you guys. Is this getting slower in your market? This is the time where these apps tend to slow down. So I'm just posing the question. You can leave it in the comment section. Is it getting slower in your market? And what are you guys doing when it gets slow? Those who are committed to these single apps, are you still working on these one apps? Or are you doing what most of us do when these apps are slow? You multi-app, you stack these apps, and you try to make money that way. What is your approach during these times when it gets slower? For me, I stack these apps, and also, I have other businesses that I focus on a little bit more during these times when it's slow. These are times for you guys to figure out what the next move is, because it's gonna be really hard to just do one app if you only doing one app. This is very important for those new drivers who are new to DoorDash and Uber Eats and any of these rideshare gig economy apps that may feel like they can only do one app at a time. And for them, it's easier that way. It's understandable, but these are the times it's gonna really test your patience, because when it's slow and you're only doing one app, you're asking for it. So, my suggestion is if you only have DoorDash, try to download other apps in your area. If you have Instacart, if you have Uber Eats, whatever in your market that, you obviously got to look it up and see which app is busy in your market, but try to sign up for those apps and get on as many apps as possible, because one app is not going to cut it for you during these times. You're going to have to stack these apps. And if you don't stack these apps, you got to find something else to get into, or find another income driving source. So, like I said, during these times, I tend to focus on my other businesses more. And if you guys have anything else that you are making money with, try to put a little bit more effort in that. And maybe that'll help you during these times when it's a little slower, because these times will test you, and you'll have days that are super busy, and then you'll have days that are just really slow. And again, if you're doing the one app, it's going to be really bad for you unless you are in a good market. I've also heard in some markets, Uber Eats is introducing hourly pay. So I know in DC, they're offering, I think, $21 an hour, which is not bad at all if you are on those apps. And, if it's slow, as long as you are taking their jobs and you don't hit that threshold, they're going to pay you $21 an hour. So that can help you supplement your money during those times. So that's a good thing right there. If you get on those apps and they have hourly pay and it's not low, go ahead and get on it. Because again, during these times, it's going to test you. It's going to test you. Also, with it being slow out here, I felt like this was a good time to talk about, what this channel is about, what the purpose of me creating this channel. This channel isn't just a gig economy channel. The gig economy is how we are all connected and how we are flowing through this ecosystem. But this channel isn't focused on that. This channel is to focus on helping as many people who are making money the non-conventional way, who not working a 9 to 5, who are looking for opportunities outside of that. And this just happened to be the conduit right now that we are following. So I don't want you guys to think that I'm just like the DoorDash guy, because I'm not the DoorDash guy. I am the making money outside of conventional way guy. I am the life guy. So this channel is mainly focused on trying to help as many people get to that bag, because life is hard. There isn't no blueprint. We all out here trying to figure it out. And this way we can create a community where we can all try to help each other get to that bag, because it's not easy out here, especially doing this kind of work. You're alone all the time, and a lot of times it'd be like, am I doing the right thing? Is this really getting me to where I want to be? Well, with this channel, we all gonna push each other to get to that bag. Gonna hold each other accountable. We are going to make sure that we are trying to do the best we can, living a healthier lifestyle, because being in the car all day, you can tend to go to those fast food places and put on a couple of those pounds. So I'm gonna be on here trying to motivate you guys to be active, work out, walk, eat better. You're gonna hear all that from me. So this is not just a gig economy channel. This is a life channel. So if you want to be a part of that community, if you want to be a part of a community that's trying to grow us as individuals, money-wise and health-wise, because you can't spend this money if you're not alive to spend it. So they go hand in hand. So on this channel, we're gonna be pushing both. So if you want to rock out with your boy, I'm here. I'm gonna continue to be here to drop these jewels. I'm gonna be on here continuing to try to give you guys a little insight. If you guys need any suggestions, if you need any help, just leave a comment in the comment section. Leave me an email if you have any questions that I could, particularly help you with. I'll try my best to give you guys newer apps, better apps in your area. Just like I said, hit the email down below and I'll try to get back to you guys. But this is that's all I got for you guys today. If you're getting value from my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy AD signing out. Have a good day out there, guys. Peace out.